Want to build a high converting landing page for free without any coding or expensive software? In this video, I will show you step by step how to create a stunning landing page using System.io, a powerful all-in-one tool that lets you design, launch and grow your online business without spending a dime. Stick around because by the end, you will have a fully functional landing page ready to attract leads and customers. So hello everyone, I am Ajay Kumar from FunnelAnalysts. Let's dive in. Just click the first link in the description below, then follow the process. Just enter your Gmail over here, then click on get my free account. Then open your Gmail and open the System.io confirmation mail. Then click over here, confirmation link, then set your password and then confirm the password. Then click on I am not a robot and then click on save. Now enter your Gmail and enter your password. Then click enter, then your account will be logged in. So by following this simple process, you can create your free System.io account. So we have successfully completed step 1. Now let's move on the next step, which is importing the pre-built templates. This is a beginner friendly video, so we are going to use pre-built templates to make it easier for you to build a landing page quickly. To import the templates, just click the second link from the description below and you will come to the System.io templates library page. Here you will find lots of pre-built high quality free templates. Now click on business and you will see templates related to this category. To see the preview of any templates, just click preview and you can see the whole preview of the templates. For this video, I am going to use these templates, so I'll just click over here and I will just click select. And it will be automatically imported to our System.io account. So just reload the page and the templates is automatically imported to our sales funnel tab. Now to see the preview, just click here and click view. See, we have successfully imported our templates. And here you got a free subdomain from the System.io. So now our step 2 is completed. So we have successfully completed our step 2. Now let's customize these templates and let's change all the content. So customizing the templates is very easy on System.io. So first of all, let's customize the name. Just click here and click settings. Now here you can see the funnel name. Just remove it and write down here landing page. Then from here you can see funnel domain. So you have created the free account and on the free account you can add custom domain, but for now you will have a subdomain like this. It will be your name then .system.io. But here you can see I have another custom domain, so which I have connected. But in your case you may not see these options. So choose your subdomain and select your currency, then click save. And see the name has been changed. Now click here. So here you will see lots of tabs. For now you don't need to focus on any other tabs. Just focus on here step configuration. Here you can see the name is quiz page. You can make it landing page and then from here URL path. This is the subdomain and after that just write down here landing page. Make sure you add a dash then page. Then click here, then the URL will be saved. Now see, if we click here view final step, see this is our free subdomain, then this permalink. Now let's click here edit page for editing the templates. Okay, changing content here is very simple. First of all, after opening this editing interface, you will see the interface something look like this. So don't need to be overwhelmed. Changing content very easy. So here you will see this all the element that we can add on our pages, and here we have these elements. Now let's say we want to change this text. Just double click here and then write your headline text. Then double click here and this way you can just write down your text over here. Okay, now let me write some content here. So I will just open ChatGPT and from ChatGPT I will just take some content. Give me some headline text for our brand FunnelAnalyst. And also give me some subtext. So I will just copy this one and come over here, then double click here and I will just paste the text over here. Then I will just copy the subtext. Let's copy this one and come over here, double click here and paste the subtext over here. Now let's say I want to make the subtext little bit bigger. So just double click here and from here from the left side you can see font size. So I'll just make the font size little bit bigger. And I will just increase the line height little bit. And now let's change this text. So just double click here and write down here I will just write down here sales funnel expert and I want to make the size little bit bigger. So just select the text and from here just font size increase it, and see it added the white color. Now let's say I want to make this color into this color. So just double click here, select all the text, click this icon, and from here choose whatever color you want to choose. So I'll choose this color for now, or let's make it yellow. And then we have this input form. When someone enter his email address and click the button, the form will be submitted and they will redirect to the next page. It means they will just redirect to the thank you page, but right now we don't have any thank you page. So this is the landing page, and I don't create a thank you page on this video. So I just want to grab the email address and send them to just a new link. So just from here choose to a custom URL, then we can collect the email address and then they will redirect to a custom URL. Let's say after filling this email address they will redirect to our website FunnelAnalysts.com. So let's say someone fill his email address, then click the button, they will automatically redirect to this page or any of the Google Drive link or whatever link you want to send them. So I will just click here and I will just paste the URL, and then let's change the image. So for changing the image, just click the image and from here just click here and upload your image. So from here, okay, let's say I want to add this image over here. So I'll just click the image and I'll just click insert. Then the image will be uploaded over here. So now make the image size little bit bigger. I will just make it little bit bigger. Now this image is not looking so good here because the alignment is not so fine. So let's make this image little bit bottom. So just click the image and from here top just add some margin from the top, and then it's gonna be look like this. So if we add another image for specifically this page, then it will look much better. So for now this is a very basic video, so that's why let's make it very simple. So this way you can change your content. Now let's say this header, we don't need these header sections, so just click here and delete. Okay, also I don't need these sections, so I will just select the entire row and from here just delete and click OK. Then the entire row will be deleted. Now let's make the text size little bit bigger. Okay, so we have edited these sections. So this way you can edit your all of the sections. Just double click and then just paste your text. Now let's say you want to change the background color of these sections. So just click the section and here you can see background color. Click here and choose whatever color you want to choose. Let's make it this color. So follow the same steps and then just edit everything, and if you want to delete any of the sections, then just select the sections and click delete. Then the sections will be deleted. Now let's add some content here. Okay, let's say here we want to add another section. So just drag the section over here, and in these sections let's make the color into white. Now in this section, let's say I want to add a video and add a text and add a button. So how can we do that? So just come over here. In these sections I want to add a headline text, then I want to add a video, then I want to add a button. Here you can see the button. Now see, it becomes this much. So just click these sections and from here make the content weight into medium. Then all the content will be show in this area. Now here we have this text. Just double click and make the text color into black. Then we can see our text over here. So I will just from here, let's copy this text. Double click here and paste the text over here. Press Ctrl A and select the color into black. Make the font size little bit bigger and increase the line height. Now I want to change the font, so I'll just click here and I'll just Google font and I will make the font into Inter, and font will be semi bold. Then it's gonna be look like this. Okay, let's say I want to add a YouTube video over here from our channel. So what I will do, I'll just come over here, I'll just click tutorial, and then from our channel, let's say I want to import this video. So I will just copy the address and then from here just click the video and I will just paste the YouTube URL over here. Then the video will be added over here. Now let's say this button, let's make this button subscribe to our YouTube channel. So I will just write down here, click here this button text, make it subscribe, then here you can see the subtext. So I don't need the subtext, so from the subtext sections I'll just remove the subtext. And from here, background color, let's make the button background color into black and white. So I'll just make the black, text color is white, and here I don't need any solid color, so I'll just remove the solid color. Then it's gonna be look like this. Now let's add some padding on the button. From the top it will be 20 pixel, and from the bottom it will be 20 pixel, and from the left hand side it will be like this. Now let's make the font into Inter, and let's increase the font size a little bit. So here font size 20, and here we just need to add our YouTube link. So from here on this button, submit form, so we don't need to submit this form, we just need to open it in a new URL. So open URL, and I will just copy the YouTube link, come over here, and I will just paste the YouTube URL over here. That's it. Now let's say these sections, let's add some padding from the top and bottom. I mean, it will have this much space, but I need more space on the top and bottom. So how can we do that? So for that we just need to add some padding. So just click here, then we can add padding from all of the side. So from the top I will make it 100 pixel, and from the bottom I will also make it 100 pixel. Then it will add 100 pixel padding from the top and bottom. Then it will look much minimal. Now here you can see, if we click these sections and if we make this sections content medium to small, then it will become more smaller, which is looks much better. So yes, we can also use this one. But in your case, you will see the section on the very first time it will be on full width, then it shows the content on full width. So make the content with full width to medium or small, whatever you like. So I will make it small, then it's gonna be look like this. Now click this button. So we also submit form. To the next step, it will redirect to a URL. The URL is our website. So I will just copy our website URL and paste the URL over here. And see, we have successfully edited all the thing. So this is a very basic video. That's why in this video I try to make things very simple. Now let's delete these sections. Delete this footer sections we don't need. So just click the sections and just delete. Now click view preview. Then we can see the preview of our landing page. See, this is the preview of our landing page. It's going to be look like this. Now let's say we want to add some space on these sections. So just click here and select this section, and from the padding options, add padding from the bottom. Let's add 100 pixel. Then click save changes, view preview, just click here. Then you can see we have successfully added the spacing over here. And it's going to be look like this, and someone click over here, then they will just redirect to our YouTube channel. It's pretty simple. Okay, let me show you some another thing. Come over here, click settings. So from here you just have to hide from search engines. Just untick this one, otherwise your landing page won't be indexed on Google search engines. And from here you can write your title, description, keywords, and your website name. You can also add social image. Those will help you to rank the site on Google search engines. So keep adding those informations, and you must have to untick this one if you want to index this site on Google Search Console. So I'll just change it, the heading text to landing page, and then author will be FunnelAnalyst. And for the social image you can use any of the image, but for now I will just make it blank. I'll just click save changes, and our customization is done. So this way you can easily customize. Now click here, exit. Now let's say when someone opt in their email address, how can we see the email address? So first of all, I will just click view final step and see, let's write an email address. Let's write here funnelanalyst@yahoo.com, and if we click here get started, then see it will automatically redirect to our website, which is funnelanalyst.com. And if we click here this sales funnel tab, and here you can see stats, just click here, then see we have this one page views, and if we click here leads, then see the funnelanalyst@yahoo.com. So when someone enter their email address here and click this button, the email address will be stored on this lead section. So yes, this way you can collect leads, and later you can send them automated emails. If you want to learn email marketing, then I have made lots of videos in this channel. Just keep watch those videos for email marketing. That's very simple and easy. We just need to create an automation rule and connect them to our campaign. So you can do lots of things using this system platform. So if you want to learn more about system data and funnel building, then keep watching our videos. So yes guys, that's it for this particular video. Thank you for watching and keep watching our videos.